We're almost late to the bus for Santo Domingo. Babe's getting on. Okay, there's the bus. The doors arranges these trips, but supposed to get some empanadas, and I don't know where everybody went, so I don't know if I'm gonna get any. So here's our tour guide, and yeah, we're getting the empanadas. What you get in this hardware store is huge. Love the decorations. Look at different kitchen appliances. They have Power XL back here, which didn't work out for us. We'll get back to the bus before they leave us, but my baby was eyeballing that crock pot.
Yeah, but I think we're gonna wait till we get to the big Costco.
Price Smart, so yeah. But yeah, this is the best hardware store I've seen.
So this is the second biggest city than Santo Domingo.
Yes, Santiago.
Well, that's what Leah said.
So this is sweet. So this is what the front of the store looks like. Right here it's got A8 or something. I don't know what the name of this place is, but you know what the name is?
Oh, I know. I'm just looking for a button. There's one right there. There's
Yeah.
one over there. Trying to figure out how we get back home. Thank God I have all my stuff. You wouldn't leave all that on board. I'm like, well, I have my phone in it.
Yeah.
I need to call somebody.
I don't know what the name is of this place. We found our bus. And my wife wants coffee. Holiday coffee. Okay guys, there's an IKEA here.
Or there is just...
So now we're going to get something to eat or something before we grocery shop.
I'm starving.
Yes.
I didn't get my breakfast.
But this is where we're at. What's this place called?
National?
National? But so from what my wife says, this is one of them expensive grocery stores like Whole Foods back in the US. So
maybe. That's what I'm saying.
So this is what nice. Okay, so this is I'm guessing where we're gonna eat in here. You just pick up what we want. You can get sandwiches and all kinds of stuff here, and you pay for it. Look at all them desserts. So this is our food, Presidente. My wife got the wraps.
It wasn't that bad. I don't even know what we
And this is our view.
Honestly, I really don't.
Okay, so now we're going to check out what they're doing around here. Walking around the store with a beer. This is what my babe's looking at.
I've seen this in town and I'm like, oh, it's a milk fudge bar.
Okay.
Oh, it's fudge.
Fudge. Okay, we're looking at carb-free. This is 0 carbs with 14 carbs in it, and the low carb is 11 carbs.
But they are bigger. I have no idea.
My wife found her black olives.
Yeah, but these are
Yep. Now she's looking at a pickle.
like a bigger jar at the box store,
Mhm.
maybe.
Yeah, this is for our
We
cheese
can
ball.
actually eat 'em.
Well, eat them and cheese ball.
Yeah, I'll
My babe's looking for a gnome. Okay, we got all our stuff and we're ready to hit the road. And she's got her chocolate. Now we're at Bravo and we're gonna get our real grocery shopping on.
Oh, no, sorry.
There's my babe. Keto. Got a huge selection of bubbly here and lots of veggies. My babe's getting her stuff for a boat dip and cheese ball. front of this place is quite busy. There's my babe. So my babe just found her powdered bouillon.
I don't know. It looks like there's a lot of crap in it.
It does? Yeah, a lot of crap. This is the other side of the store. There's the name of the store. Yeah, and we got, this is our current haul right here. So this is my babe's haul. Got a lot of chicken here, and we could have some beef too.
How easy is that? Now, my problem is are we going to be able to put that in the freezer?
Well, I had to go get our backpack, but the girls are over here. Here they are. What you got there, babe? Oh. The Costco of the DR. Price Smart. Okay guys, we made it into Price Smart. Looks just like Costco. Hey babe, you think that will fill in the boat?
I don't know, but I'm not looking at that. I'm looking at
This feels just like the Costco back in the US. So nice, so much stuff.
They're about $10. I don't know what it is. Pesos.
Yeah, their selection of cheese here is awesome. Look at the size of that one over there. But this is how many pesos? That's 300. Hey. That has to be per pound.
Okay. That's the price.
Okay.
3,000 pesos.
Oh yeah.
We're looking at.
I was looking at something else. Okay, guys, we made it home. Oh, it was.
See, it's dark.
Yeah, and I'm
That's
sweating.
a long day in Santiago.
Yeah.
We
But
went to how many grocery stores?
Three grocery stores.
3 grocery stores.
And a hardware store, and a vet, and but the amount of cost we paid for this going to the box store, we actually saved money. So
we didn't buy a lot of stuff at the box store.
yeah, but the rum we got, and
Talk about the rum.
and the cleaning supplies, yeah, it was.
Talk about the new pillow I got.
Oh, and the new pillow. Yeah, so she's gonna sleep good tonight, guys.
Let me tell you, it was really hard to be back in a box store like that because we used to love going to Costco.
It
And
looked
we
just
had
like
we had to
American.
ban ourselves from Costco. And let me tell you, with Christmas coming and all the fluffy blankies and the fluff, oh my God, I had to. I couldn't even deal with it.
But yeah, so we're gonna call it a night. We're gonna put up the groceries, and yeah, we got
And
a lot
our
of
dog is not
hyperventilating.
happy with us. She's
But
not happy.
may
We
have-
were not. We were supposed to be back like an hour and a half ago. So
yeah, but yeah,
But Santiago is crazy.
Mhm.
It's very, very trafficky, and it's with cars, not
motorcycles.
motorcycles. It's cars.
Yeah,
Cars.
we almost got hit by a dump truck.
Well, hey, I wouldn't have had to pay for it.
No, we weren't driving this time, but yeah, we're gonna get off, and yeah, that was a ride.
Relax.
Relax.
Eat some dinner.
Yeah, chill out.
Done.
Okay, while my wife is putting up all the groceries, unpack this pillow. She's gonna have a new pillow tonight. It's a cool gel, and yeah,
Came with 2.
yeah. So
Got it at the Costco here.
yeah, 2-pack, cool
It
gel,
was-
comfort foam, member selection.
1,800 pesos, which equals to be about $30, so $15 per pillow for a gel cooling. Our other ones are molded. I'm killing myself. And then the other ones that we bought that were like 200 pesos that are like the cotton ones. I can't sleep on
Too
that.
soft.
So those are going to be guest pillows. I'm sorry. But at least it's a nice, clean, brand new pillow.
Yeah, it's brand new. And we'll vacuum suck them so they'll be sealed and stuff. Okay, got the pillow out. It's still kind of thin. Hopefully it gets thicker. And she's putting up still food.
Bacon.
Yep. But we'll tell you how this pillow is tomorrow. Or she'll tell you. Babe, what did you think of the pillow last night?
It was pretty comfortable. I didn't get a neck ache.
That's good.
It's a bit fluffy right now, so I'm hoping that it compresses just slightly. Because it was definitely fluffier, but we're used to like these flat. I don't even know how old those are, but like 8 years.
Yeah, pretty old.
I think I bought them when we first moved to our Florida house.
Yeah, they're time to retire them.
Yeah, they're bad.
Now I'm just heating up breakfast. This is meatloaf my wife made the other day. Really yummy. I had some jalapenos around the edge so I can have that with it. And then, yeah, we have a roast we're doing today. That's delish. Check out my wife's roast recipes. Go to chrisdoeswhat.com, look up roast recipes, or dineinwithdanielle.com. Goes to the same place. But just look up some recipes. Delish. Well, my babe is gonna make a roast out of that meat we picked up yesterday, and she has many discoveries in the kitchen.
So, our white rice had bugs in it. Thank God it was in a container that they couldn't get out. Obviously we bought the rice that way. They probably were eggs at one point, which means we've been eating eggs. I am no longer buying rice in town. Or white rice at all. And then, take out my crock pot that was up over there. There's little tiny crawly things. They look like baby spiders.
Yum.
So now I'm just like, are we gonna be eating baby spiders for dinner?
I washed you out.
I know.
And then you vacuumed out the counter.
I just don't understand. I think when you sit too long, the bugs.
They
Because
get
I
you.
have been noticing cobwebs on the boat, and there's these little. I mean, they're tiniest spiders, but they look like they have like 10 legs, like they can walk on water, you know, like a crab.
I like the crab.
And I've been finding them, and I'm like, that doesn't look like a normal spider. That looks like it can walk on water.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna make my roast now.
But yeah, hopefully y'all enjoyed this video, the trip, the pillows, and yeah, check out this girl's recipes.
Yeah, well, I believe we're gonna have one out before the new year. There's actually two I'm going back and forth which one I want to put out. I think I'm gonna put out the appetizer.
Yeah. So y'all stay tuned for that, and yeah, we're enjoy.
Or a slow cooker.
Yeah.
Maybe you guys comment. Do you
Yeah.
want to see an appetizer, or do you want to see the slow cooker one that I have?
Yeah. Comment below.
I have both of them ready to go.
And have a great, have a Merry Christmas and a Happy Holidays and all that jazz.
Oh, we're gonna be well, you guys will see us again.
Yeah, you will, but
Christmas isn't for a while.
Yeah, but it takes a lot of prep to get Christmas ready.
Oh.
So,
It's just me and him.
Happy Merry Prep Christmas.
Our dog is stinking us out of the house. I don't know what she ate. Oh, it could have been those bacon dog treats. She's not getting those no more.
What are you doing, Bella? What are you doing?
We wave goodbye to the front porch light. Said see you later, this is our flight. The kids are grown, the house is too quiet, yeah. Empty nester now, ready to riot. Traded the lawnmower for a salt breeze. Found a new home Between the palms and the trees is Chris and Daniel, charting a new course from the comfort zone to the boundless source. No schedules, no rush, just the sun in the sky. Got a budget to balance, keep the dreams flying high from the